Some of you are just going to have a very intuitive understanding of what's going on here and just know the answer right away. But for the rest of us who maybe aren't as gifted mathematically, there's an easy solution here. Let's just go to the calculator, the graphing calculator. They're asking for the solution to this system, which is a slightly more mathematical way of asking for the intersection, right? They want to know where these two lines intersect. We could do some algebra to figure that out, or we could just type it in, right? Y is equal to negative 1/5, and make sure you get out of the fifth there for the x. So there we have a line. And then the other one is y is equal to 1/7. And again, get out of the fraction, x. And you can see where they cross. They cross right at 0, 0. And that's the thing is Desmos is really good about just making it so that we can tap the point of intersection without having to do a whole bunch of other steps like other graphing calculators make you do. So that's it. The solution is 0, 0, 0 technically. So 0, 0. And in this case, it doesn't matter, but they do ask for the value of x. So there you go. But other questions, just to warn you, might have a system where the x and the y coordinate are different, and just pay attention. Do they want the x coordinate or do they want the y coordinate? Because that matters. Now in math class in school for situations like this, you're usually going to set these two equations equal to each other because they're both equal to y. So you would end up with negative 1/5 x is equal to 1/7 x. And then I don't know what you guys would do. What you're supposed to do is kind of add one of them over. We're supposed to combine like terms here, but we're probably going to be resistant to doing that because it's fifths and sevenths, and I don't really want to deal with that. So there's all sorts of things we can do to make the fractions easier, but like none of it is going to be as easy as just entering it in the calculator. So unless one of the equations is going to be just like y equals 4, we really want to just go to the calculator for systems of equations questions where we're finding intersections. Just let the calculator do it. If one of the equations is y equals 4, then that's not really an equation. That's more just like a point to plug in. But, a case like this, even I would just be going to the calculator because I know how to solve it. But why waste the brain power trying to solve it when the calculator can do it? We're basically free.